Today is a very special day because Shell is switching over her Keurig, trusty and faithful, to a Nespresso machine. So it's called Aerochino. That is the frother. And this is the machine. At the back they hold the water. Just for fun, we bought oat milk, just so it's like creamier when you're making like a latte or something. This one came with a pouch with a bunch of these cute little pods. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. There's so many, but this was like a trial. Oh, don't mind Shell. She has like this mask under her eyes. I don't know if you can see. It's like shining light. It's okay. Look good.
Well, how about we try it, but I will vlog Nalini making the coffee.
Okay, I've never done it before, so let's see. I don't know, none of you know this, but I used to be a barista.
Teach me how to make a cappuccino, latte, cafe au lait.
Oh, all of those, all of them, okay.
I don't know what any of them mean.
Right, so I'm very excited to try this out. Shake, shake, shake that. Let's see how to do this.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna
There's a lot of protein
this
in this. That's why Dulce was eating or drinking a lot of this after she had her baby. Oats.
Oh.
Oat milk, oatmeal.
She's doing everything with oats for her breast milk.
Because this has a lot of protein in it.
She needed it. Okay. I'm like just not even focusing on anything. I'm just like literally focusing on everything here. I asked her for this spoon so that when I frothed the milk, I can keep the froth back. Oh my gosh, it's not focusing. I can hold the froth back, fill the milk, and then top it with the froth. Oh, sorry. And then this is a little booklet, and it has all the different types of pods and like espressos and coffees and things like that you can purchase.
Let's try it. We've cleaned it. Now we're going to try
Yeah, we totally cleaned every single part of it before we used it.
Does this need to heat up before? You just have to put it and press on, right?
You just, if you hold it for 2 seconds, it's cold. If you just press it, the light is red, and then it becomes hot. If you don't put enough milk, it will be too hot, but I like everything extra hot, so it's okay.
What are you going to have? Are you going to have an espresso? You want a coffee or
I'd like one espresso, please.
Okay, do you want the mild one or the
what kind of espressos do you have in here?
I have.
How many do you have to begin with? You have 3, and what are the types? It looks like you may have
The gold one is light and sweet. Purple, full-bodied and creamy, and then the blue is like the intense one.
Okay, so you've got 3.
Yeah.
It's these 3 here.
Yeah. You can try anyone. Whatever you're in the mood for. It doesn't matter.
So, I wasn't listening. So, you said this one is light?
Yeah. And sweet. The other one's full-bodied and creamy, which you might like.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of like this is Nalini and this is Shalini.
And then the other one is intense and powerful. Mom.
Actually, Mom?
She's intense and powerful.
Yeah, true.
So I feel that light and sweet would be better for me.
Yeah, I was gonna say I would take it, but you know what? Since we only have those 3 options, you take the gold, I'll take the purple. No, try it. I want to try it. Okay, so we'll make yours first. Are you gonna have it with the oat milk or by itself to try it?
Oh, that's a lot of coffee for today.
Really? No such thing.
I want to use the frother.
Okay, let's make mine first then.
You're not drinking yours straight. You're gonna do this.
Well, they don't come together. You're gonna be mixing it, so I'm gonna taste it on its own, and then I'll make
okay.
a latte or something with it. I think I'll make a latte.
So what should I put this on? Just minimum, right? Because you don't want very much.
Less.
You can't put less than that.
No, I'm not gonna. I was gonna say do the full.
But you don't even like
milk.
Yeah. So what if I just do a little more than minimum? Because what if you don't like it?
I doubt that I won't like it.
Oh my gosh, I can't see the line anymore. Oh, never mind.
It says max as well.
Ooh, this smells like nothing.
And there's a little tiny whisk right there in the middle.
Okay, can you see that, Nalini? That looks like enough for you, or do you want more? Don't bend it, because you don't know where it is.
That's min.
A little over the little circles, right?
Yeah, barely. Okay. Do a little more, and then stop.
I think that's good.
Well, oat milk, I think because of the protein and like fat content, it'll froth nicely. As opposed to like a skim or something.
Okay, so maybe just I'll do it.
No, I can do it. Okay.
No, water in there. Wait, I don't know which way to put this in. Probably this way because it has to puncture it, right?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
That makes sense.
Close and then lock.
Okay, cool.
Now
Now
what?
power up. It's already powered on?
Yeah, once it stops blinking, it's ready. So it's
Okay.
ready. So
Okay.
just push.
Well, let's see.
This is an espresso, so it's only going to be two.
Okay.
2
Okay.
ounces.
Let's see.
1.35 ounces. Yeah, that's a traditional espresso.
I'm taping all of this, but you can fast forward through it if you want, or not even put it up.
It's exciting.
Yeah, it is. Coffee, espresso,
Should I
tea has
do this
always
one?
excited me. Yes.
What do I do? Press on?
Okay, press it once. It should be red.
Yep.
It waits. I believe it's
Trini,
just over a
Trini,
minute.
Come see.
Really?
I don't know if you can see in there, but it's spinning.
Yeah, you can actually see it spinning.
Nice.
Oh, it's cute.
Okay, and then espresso's
I think
ready.
it takes about just over a minute to completely froth there. This smells really good.
Do you want to try it while we're waiting?
Hello, beautiful.
You're just gonna take a sip, right? So then-
Yes.
Okay.
Whoa. My
Okay.
spatial awareness is quite
Just
off.
pause it and I'll.
And then it has this I don't know if you can see that later.
The crema.
Right.
Yeah.
So usually that part is really bitter. It looks pretty, but it's usually bitter. Ooh, it's strong. That's good. It's very flavorful, really strong. Really well. I mean, it's espresso, but this was like the medium-ish one, right?
The full-bodied, creamy one.
It is creamy. It is full-bodied.
Full-bodied.
It's like a punch in the face.
Okay, so let's see what. Don't drink it all.
No, I'm tasting it. Oh, you would not like this.
Okay, is this almost done?
Ooh.
Does it just stop or?
I think it just stops.
Oh,
It turned off.
perfect. Okay, take it
Okay, I'm
off.
gonna take this off. It
Yep,
completely
come
comes
take
off.
off.
This pops off. And for cleaning purposes, I really like this. It has this part that's opened that you can take off the thing.
Ooh.
Look, can you see?
Yep.
So I'm going to. I think I'm gonna do all of it because it's only a little bit.
Mhm.
Okay. And you can see I'm letting go some of the
Froth.
froth there.
Oh, it's perfect.
Right. If you were doing a cappuccino, you would just hold it back all the way, don't let any froth out, and then you can scoop out how much, at like a dollop or whatever if you'd like. Okay, look how pretty that is. That's cute, eh?
Give me.
Here.
Okay.
Nice. Okay. Wow. That's actually quite good. The oat milk
Is sweet.
it has like its own sort of sweetness. Very, very creamy and thick.
I should try
So
that.
it feels like a nice hug.
Mm.
Like it feels like a blanket around you on like a fur rug in front of a fireplace. Like that.
That's good. Let's try another one.
Let's do it.
Time for another coffee. Let's see what happens.
Ah!
Whoa. So we just threw it
Shot
back
it back
there.
there?
So I don't have to worry about taking it out or forgetting it in there. And then when I'm ready, check that out.
That's cute. I like that.
It's cool.
Yeah.
I love it. Because I always forget in my Keurig to take that out. And Lance doesn't like that.
How do you forget though? It's one pod.
Because it's closed, right? And I don't make two at a time. I only make one,
Okay.
right? But I happen to be making two. I would have taken it out.
Okay, it's just convenience.
Absolutely.
It's like a cool added
Okay,
feature.
I'm going to have the light and sweet one, which is called Voltesso.
Voltesso.
Okay.
You have to say it with like
Ready? So you push this down.
And then you
close.
Lock.
And then you just push the button. That's it. Look how much water it used. Little. It's only 1.3 ounces.
Oh, yeah, look. And then you should be using filtered water for this. It's just like when you're brewing a coffee, you should be using cold filtered water. It gives you the best taste.
Rinse this?
Yes, rinse it. Don't let it touch the base. Just put a little water in it and like zhuzh it around. Very nice. This angle is really funny that I'm using.
Try that.
This is the light one. Ah, that's cute.
So how do you keep this closed? You just do this. How do you turn it off?
I think when it doesn't have a barcode to read, and so when it just turns off. But I don't know. I just made that up.
Oh, it's done.
Oh yeah, that's
Nice.
that's
Like a
really light.
traditional
Yeah, that's a really
espresso?
nice light one.
Should I just dump it in?
So this time you used
Heavy cream.
heavy cream instead.
Yeah.
Let's check the difference. Let's see. Can I see it? I want to see
Yeah.
how it frothed.
Yeah, frothed. It's still frothed. I put a lot less than you.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, my taping skills are so bad. You don't even have to put all if you don't want to. And just scoop out some of that and just plop it on top so it looks cute.
I should see if I could refroth this.
Like if you realize it's too...
Yeah, I want more froth. If I wanted more froth.
I can't see why you wouldn't be able to refroth it. You know what? I don't know.
Let's try.
You can just try it. That looks cool. It's blinking
Because there's not
red.
enough in there.
Okay, so it didn't work. No. Also, whoever, if it's also your first time using Nespresso, if you press the button once, like a short press, it'll turn red and that'll make the milk warm or hot. But if you hold and do a long press of 2 seconds, it'll keep it cold and the light will turn blue.
So if you want iced coffees, which we are definitely going to try.
Not a fan of iced coffee.
Yeah, but Lance's.
Lance's. I like my coffee to be really hot, even in the summer.
Yeah.
Really, really extremely hot, searing hot. But if push comes to shove, I will have cold coffee, like iced coffee, just because I love coffee. So let's see.
McDonald's has it for $1.
Oh man, when McDonald's has their coffee for $1, it's like one of the happiest times in my life, in my year.
So we can plug that.
It's pretty. This is with the cream. This is with the oat milk. I'm going to try yours, actually.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, Shell, you're going to love that.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you're going to love that.
Okay.
It's so up your alley. Oh my gosh, my light.
Very good.
Yeah, I knew you would. It's very light.
It's very light. Perfect. I'm wondering that with the this espresso with the oat milk, that'd probably be like
Perfect for you.
perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think so too. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to an upgrade. Upgraded coffee. Simple pleasures in life. This was actually on sale at Costco. This is why.
Very good sale.
It was a
We
very
got
good sale.
this, plus the tester pack, plus a $40 gift card, plus the Arancino for Canadian. I think it was like $169.
Yeah.
That's really good.
And yeah, that originally that is
We wanted to go to the Nespresso store, but it was quite expensive, so I looked on Costco and it just happened to be, actually the one I was going to get was $210 on sale, and then when I didn't buy it and I went back to buy it and looked, they had this one. So I got to save an extra $40.
And Costco is the best. If there are any issues, we always seem to have problems with appliances, and for me, just things going wrong. So I always have to be going back to Costco and taking things back.
I still have 5 coffees here to finish, so I don't know.
leave the Keurig out, or I'm gonna take it to my house.
With 5 coffees?
Yeah.
Mm,
Hey, I wonder if those pods can fit into that.
maybe.
Yeah, give it a shot and see. Yeah, the other day I bought this massager for my back at Costco, and it would not work at all. Like brand new, I have no idea what happened. I took it right back, and it was so easy to return. No, it doesn't work.
No, but they had ones for this, so I'll need to get another one.
True. And you know, Uncle Gary uses Keurig, so
he can have this?
He can probably use that. You just have to clean it.
Yeah.
He'll probably use that.
Oh, I didn't know that. Or else, you remember when I was trying to finish this pack, I wouldn't have opened it, and I would have given it to him with this.
I know. I didn't realize he had a Keurig until like a couple days ago. I was talking to him.
To drink this. Because I got this Nespresso right when I started opening this, and I didn't need to.
Yeah, no, keep it aside, even if it's just 5. Enjoy your Nespresso. You don't have to struggle to finish that. Give it to him because he will use it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yay, I'm so excited. Okay,
Yay.
Today is a very good day. Simple joys and blessings here. Okay, bye.